The KIP 600 series, engineered to exceed expectations. Extraordinary productivity and excellent image quality are at the core of the KIP 600 series. The KIP 600 series features KIP contact control technology, which delivers robust reliability and imaging performance in a brilliantly compact, durable design that surpasses expectations. KIP's exclusive contact control technology was inspired by our pursuit to deliver the ultimate wide-format imaging solution. KIP contact control technology delivers extraordinary, uninterrupted productivity, reliable dependability, amazing image quality, and an impressive low cost of operation. When copying or scanning on the KIP 600 series, KIP's auto deskew technology ensures perfectly aligned copies and scans every time. The KIP 600 series' amazing image quality ensures pinpoint accuracy, and vivid colors are amazing, print after print. KIP contact control technology can save up to 50% over current print costs. The KIP 600 series features powerful controllers to optimize your workflow. The KIP 12.1-inch smart touchscreen has true smart tablet function to customize the screen to be in sync with how you want to work. State-of-the-art technology offers a full range of connectivity, whatever your needs may be. Included with all KIP systems is the powerful KIP System K software suite. Easily print, copy, and scan brilliantly with KIP Image Pro. Track and produce professional reports to verify your print savings with KIP accounting and cost center applications. Easily print from any of your applications with the KIP Windows driver, designed to match the layout of the KIP Smart Touchscreen. Security is paramount. KIP is committed to keeping digital information safe and secure to Department of Defense standards. The KIP 600 series prints 360 prints per hour for all image types, a powerful single color and black and white system that fits in small spaces and more places. KIP LED toner technology delivers unrivaled image durability that is waterproof, UV resistant, and highlighter safe, offering outstanding archival quality that continues our ambition to provide the highest quality imaging combined with a low cost of operation. KIP is committed to product designs that promote environmental health and sustainability. The KIP 600 series, extraordinary productivity and excellent image quality, engineered to exceed expectations.